Hi guys, welcome to the Cisco Security Tutorial Video Series. My name is Nate Stapp. I work with Cisco as a security consultant sales engineer. And the whole point of this video series was to give you guys a nice quick way to reference material when you're trying to accomplish tasks on Cisco security products. And that can be anything from licensing an ASA to re-imaging a chassis to deploying an ISC architecture. Alright, and during this process we wanted to be rather painless, so to accomplish that we implemented a few features that we hope you guys will find useful in the videos to follow. The first of which, every video will have a quick, short 5-second intro, and that's just so you know you landed on our videos, you feel comfortable, you know what's coming. The second is that each video will have its information broken into sections, and those sections will be discrete bundles of information that are involved in accomplishing whatever task this tutorial video is relevant to. So if you are trying to configure an ASA and you need to license it, that would be one section. Then you need to configure it, that would be another. Standing up TACACs, that would be another. That's the type of thing I'm talking about. In regards to that, down below each video will be a set of bookmark links that reference or link to those sections directly. And when you click those links, you'll arrive at a short freeze frame with the title slide so that you know you've arrived where you intended to and you can navigate these videos easily. It'd be nice to come back, click through to a certain section you remembered but you don't remember quite how to do. This will make it nice and quick for you guys to do that. The last thing is that cards will pop up periodically throughout the videos, and those pop up right about here. And the point of those cards is so that you can click and go to another tutorial that may not be germane to the current subject that's being discussed. So if we're going through some sort of video and you need to build an FTP or TFTP server on your Mac to accomplish the image transfer to the chassis, then that would definitely be a card that links to another tutorial. We don't want to make these videos bloated with like 30 minutes of superfluous information that may not be relevant to you. So we're going to keep them as succinct as possible and just link to these other tasks. That would be a good time to pause the current video and click that link, follow the tutorial, get your FTP server up and running, and then return to this tutorial to finish the configuration. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I look forward to seeing you in the future.